All right, so I'm just going to go through quickly how to install Mindplane's production Helm chart. Before we start, there are some infrastructure level prerequisites to this. So of course, you're going to need a cluster. We're using GKE Autopilot for that, secrets manager, your DNS setup, static IP, things of that nature. Once you have all that set up, you can come across and do the install for the Helm chart. I'd recommend dry running it first. That's always a good idea. So we're going to dry run it. What you're going to see is that we do have some pre-flight checks for some Kubernetes level prerequisites. So in this case, we're using the ESO CRDs, external secrets operator. If your cluster is new like ours is, and you don't have that installed, it will give you the command to install that into your cluster. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. It does take a second to install, so I'm going to pause the video there and we'll come back when it's ready. Okay, you can see that the external secrets operator is installed in our cluster now, which is great. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just try the dry run again, just to make sure that we pass our pre-flight checks now, which is the case. So now what you get at the bottom of your dry run is a notes section, and effectively this just takes the values from your overlay and it will put them into here so that you can check that everything matches up before you do a real deploy, which is quite nice. So now we can go ahead and do the actual deploy. And what you'll see is that the namespace will get created and then it'll start creating all of the resources in the chart. We're not going to sit here and wait for that. It can take a little second. So I'll pause the video there and we'll come back when everything is ready. All right, so you can see that Mindplane's been successfully installed into the cluster now. We can check on the logs here just to make sure that that's running, which is perfectly fine. Just want to draw your attention quickly to some of the infrastructure resources that have been created by the chart. So we've got a load balancer. We should also have a managed certificate that's been provisioned for us, which is here. And yep, that's all provisioned, which means that we should be able to hit the Mindplane endpoint and see a response. Yep, so there we go. So that's all hooked up successfully now. And yeah, that's how to install Mindplane's Helm chart into production. Super easy. And yeah, thanks for listening.